Okay, so hi everyone. Hello, my name is Muhammad Tanashakiro Ferdi, and I am the leader of the group of Aman Sentosa, consisting of Surya Aula Diansha and Priscilla Rajkaur. And we're competing on a LSIS stocks tournament, and we want to talk about the stocks that we use and why we choose it, starting from Priscilla.
Okay, so thank you, Aji. Right now, I will explain about the background company. So I will start from PT BCA first. So PT BCA is a Central Asian bank. It is the bank segment include transaction banking, corporate banking, commercial, and small, even medium enterprise. And the bank offers various products and services, which include cash management service, credit cards, and also mutual funds investment product. And also, it has operate in Sumatra, Java, Kalimantan, East Indonesia, and overseas operation. And it also subsidized include PT BCA Finance, BCA Finance Limited, PT BCA Syariah, PT BCA Sekuritas, and a lot more. But do you know that BCA turns out to be one of the popular among other shares? And in the investment world, no-price investors are no exception, even though it is relatively expensive. At this time, the price per share of BCA was 8,700. However, the high price has not damped the enthusiasm of no-price investors to target BCA's share as their investment assets. Why BCA shares are so attractive to investors? Because it is really uh, it is really easy to increase, but when it comes to decreasing, it is a little bit hard. So that's what a lot of investors use it for the long-term assets. So beside that, the stock investment is a fairly risky investment, usually, right? But there are only social or political stocks. But BCA, but with BCA, it was recorded since March 2022 when the pandemic had just started to attack Indonesia. The price of BCA share was around 26,000, if I was not mistaken. And now, even though the pandemic is over, but the BCA price is still so high. I can say that the BCA still is on the top, unlike other stocks that experienced fire. But BCA share were relatively more stable than the other stocks. This is also our reason to choose BCA because this means that even if there is a decline, it won't take long for BCA share to rise. Eventually, BCA shares are the target of investor because of their stability and the value which almost always increase. So I will continue to the BCA income statement. So here, as our group has discussed, the net interest income for the 2022 in March, it was 14,421. And for the December of 2022, it is increasing by 18,000. So as we could hear just now what I was saying, it was 1,400 to 1,800. So it was increasing for the net interest income. So next we have the net income before taxes. It was on March, it was 99,000. And in December 2022, it was 14,000. It was also increasing. And for the net income after taxes, it was 80,000 for the March, and for December 2022, it was 11,000. Okay, for the net income, it was 80,000 for March, and for December, it was 11,000. So the price to book for the industry is 3.2. As we could say that is good, not but really good, but it's just good. So for return on investment, it was 17%. So right now, Surya will show the graph. Please, Surya. We will wait for Surya to share the screen for the graph, and I will explain it. Okay, thank you so much, Surya. And so as we could see, this is the graph by a month ago. And as we could see, there is a lot of ups and downs in average stocks, obviously. But in the February 6th, it got a lot of higher than usually because till the end of the month it was stable, whether it was increasing or decreasing, but I could say that it's still stable. That's it. We will continue for the next stock of discussion to Surya. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Priscilla. And I will tell it about my stocks that we choose also. That is other energy, IDNO. So this is the energy industry and especially coal, I mean batu bara. And I think it's mostly countries need this, and I assume that uh, in the middle of a year, Andorra will export some of the coal to some countries. So basically, I do two ways of uh, analytic. First one is the fundamental, and second one is technical. So from the fundamental, I saw the report, and I saw that if in the middle of a year ago, in the middle of a year, it say if the price of the company it gets up, and in the end of the year it will go down. So I assume that if every middle in a year it will going up. Just for example, the net income, the Adaro, in the first year, the price it will be 400, and the middle is going up to be 800, and will going down in the end of the year, and will be 700. So I assume if in the middle, especially right now, uh, it's going to be March, I think it will going up. So, and then for the technical analysis, I've seen this before the competition was begin. So this is sideways, so I can assume this if in a few days later, the graphic will be going up, because the first one is will going down and then going down again, up again, and then I assume, yeah, in a few days later will be going up. So I think that's for me from Adaro Energy, and the next stocks will be shared by Oji.
Okay, thank you, Surya. We already explained to you guys about PCA. We already explained to you guys about Adaro. And for the next one is Alfamart. But before we go into the fundamental, I want to explain to you guys about the company background first. Okay, so PT Sumber Alvaria Trijaya Tbk or Alfamart is a retailer of food and non-food products. The company offers various services, trading, and distribution of consumer goods. It also operates retail stores, providing ticketing and travel service, delivery service, and other services. Alfamart cater its products and service under the brand name of Alfamart. It remits tickets for train, airline, ship, bus, entertainment, and amusement parks. The company operates distribution centers are situated in Jakarta, Banten, Semarang, Lampung, Malang, Bali, Klaten, among others. Alfamart is headquartered in Tangerang, Banten, Indonesia. And the fundamental here actually says that Alfamart has a lot of decreasing, like the net income before taxes. In 2021, it shows that Alfamart has around 103 millions that and then it decreased into 74 million, and also the net income after taxes it also decreasing. Um, it starts around 84 million and it decreased into 59 million, and also the net income it also decreasing. Like here in 2021, it shows that um, Alfamart has a net income around 8 million, and it decreased to 5 million. But the price to sales of Alfamart is actually pretty good. It's the number is at around 1.25, but the price to book at Alfamart is actually pretty high, which is bad. It shows that it has the number of 10.51, and the return on investment at Alfamart is only around 11%, 11.57%. And the technical analysis graphic by a month ago, it shows that Alfamart um, has very 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 downgrade, very decreasing in the price of its stocks. But we're hoping, because it has a lot of decreasing, we're hoping to by the end of this tournament, it will goes up. I think that's about it. For the next one, it will be present presented to you by Priscilla.
So thank you, Ajit. Right now, I'll be continuing for the Sido Muncul. And about Sido Muncul, it is a PT Industri Jamu and Pharmacy Sido Muncul. TBK provides herbal medicine, cosmetics, and food for also beverage products in Indonesia. And it operates through herbal medicine and supplements, food and beverage also. And the pharmacy segment, the company offers ethical and OTC products for various health interests and many more. So why do we invest in Sido Muncul? Because it is the largest herbal lifestyle brand with operating track record since 1951, as we all know, and the management credibility and sincerity. Also, 13 Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) are covered in the corporate's ESG initiative. And for the view on business prospect, there is Herbal Medicine Associate believes that the herbal medicine industry will be remain prospective in 2022. The overall herbal medicine sales figure will grow by approximately 10% in line with the increasing public awareness of health benefits of the herbal medicine. Right now, people tend to choose to consume herbal medicine and also traditional medicine as a prevention measure during the pandemic. And not only in the pandemic era, right now people are also used to it. So this this paragraph will continue in the future even after the pandemic is over, like as I have said before. So right now, I will still explain for the SIDO income statement first. So as I could say right here, the total revenue for the SIDO Muncul in 22 March is 88,000, and on December it is 12,000. So the net income before tax is 37,000. So after December, it is 49,000. And the net income after tax, it is 29,000. In December, it is 38,000. So it is increasing. So the net income, it is 29,000. In December, it is 38,000. So for the price to book industry, it is 4.5, which is good. The return on investment, it is 28%. So as Surya have show us right here, the graph right here, apart from the unstable for the graph. It's still we could see there is a decreasing and increasing, but because it is the economic situation right now. But we estimate double-digit profit growth in 2023 with the support of potential increased margins from the herbal product, as I could say just now before. Right now, even though it's not COVID, but people tend to normalize to eat like a herbal medicine and whatsoever. And the potential increased margin from the herbal product segment, along with the lower raw materials price that explain this potential for improvement, has prompted the rise of PT Sido Muncul in 2023, and also will be going to 2024 financial performance targets. So that's it for the PT Sido Muncul. It will be continuing to Surya. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Priscilla. And I would like to continue to my stock. That is MAPI, Mitra Dipkasa. That is sports stuff industry and food industry, culinary, especially we all know it, that is Starbucks. So I do analysis for the fundamental, and it says if actually it's like the same way as Adaro in middle of the years will increase the price and of course the revenue. So I conclude and I assume uh in the 2023 going to in the middle of a year it will going increase, and from the news that I heard that is Starbucks going launch a new system that is RTD, that is ready to drink, sorry. And I assume with that a uh new product or a new system that Starbucks built, it will increase the demand of the people. So this my calculation or my assumption if it will going increase fastly. So just for example from the Mitra Dipkasa or MAPI report, this from past year ago. So in the middle of a year in 2022, so the net income was increasing. Just for example, this is 518,366. So that's my assumption, and we're going to the technical analytic. So, and I see this as a uptrend. So I assume that in a few days or a few months later, it will going up. Even less, we are going to a Ramadan month. So the demand of the Ramadan stuff or sports stuff or where I can say if what is it? The clothes will going increase. So I assume yeah, it will be going up. So I think that's all from me. And back to Oji. Thank you.
Okay, Surya. So the conclusion is the stocks that we choose to participate in this tournament is there is PT BCA, there is Alfamart, there is Sido Muncul, there is Adaro, and there is MAPI. And we hope we can win this tournament. And yeah, I think that's about it from us. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.